Hello guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video, I am going to show you how to make stunning thumbnails on Android phone. Now you can make professional looking YouTube thumbnails on your mobile phone. For that purpose, I am going to use an Android application which name is Pixel Lab. This is the application. This one you can install it from Google Play Store and use it to make very professional looking social media graphic, YouTube thumbnails and many more graphics. If you are new to my if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new update from me. So coming to the video, I will show you how to make this type of thumbnail using Pixel Lab. First of all, you need to go to Google Play Store and install app name called Pixel Lab. Then open it. This will show you this screen on the beginning if you first time open this app. Now YouTube dimensions are width 1280 and height 720. We will change its height to 720. So now just add some text. I am going to add stunning, make it all capitals, hit OK, then place it here. OK, you can change many different styles from here, from the very first tab. Let's select this one, select this style, then change the image size from only change its height to 720. Width is 1280, which is correct. Now click on this text, change the text to as your own. I am going to change it to stunning, make it all capital by pressing this big T and small t. Click OK. Now place it here. I am going to remove its reflection. Click on this A. This A shows the menu for editing text. Go towards the right. Click on reflection, disable this. Okay, now change its color to something strong color, yellow. Okay, now place it here. We can also change its position by clicking on relative position. Click on vertical centers. Now just click this text and click copy, drop it down here, double click on it, change the text to thumbnail, make it all capitals, click it here and make it thumbnails all capitals. Okay, now drag it a bit here and drag it towards to resize it, and next click on the relative position, vertical centers. Okay, now click this text and click copy, drop down here, move it here, then change the text to as you wish. I am changing it to on Android, all capitals. Click OK. Now you can click on relative position relative position and vertical centers, and click this middle text, click on position and drop it little down and click on it here. Now I'm going to change its color to red. Okay, now we can also change the background of this thumbnail. To do this, click on this tab, this one. This is text, this is shapes, and this is custom changes for background and other things. Now move towards right and click on image. Here there is already collection of images. You can select one of them. You can change it to this one or this one. There are many images. You can even upload your own one. This is looking very good. Change it to this one. This is looking also very good. Okay, you can use your own image from gallery and choose image of your own. I'm not going to use my own image at this moment. I'm going to make this thumbnail using this background. This is how you can make stunning thumbnails. You can also change text effects like text color, text opacity, text rotation. Rotate this text like this, change its font by clicking on fonts and rotate this text to normal, change its position to relative position. Okay, other effects may be bold, italic, underline. I'm not going to apply this. The main and very useful option is text background. You can enable this and use any background from selecting these colors. Click on many other colors like this, then click on it, click to position, drop it, move it a little bit down. You can click on this middle one, then click on text background, enable this, select a different background like yellow or some white color. This is a really good app and it helps you make really beautiful looking thumbnails. You can also change this, add stroke, shadow, inner shadow like this, and you can also add perspective like this, 3D text. There are many options. It makes the text 3D. So this is really useful app. Its name is Pixel Lab. It is free to use and it helps you make really beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, then please hit subscribe and also turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss any new update from me. If you are a returning visitor to my channel, then do like this video, comment on this and share this video with your friends. You can save this thumbnail clicking on this as project. There are two options, save as project. It is exam test Okay, I have renamed this project as test. Then save as image format PNG, then save to gallery. Image has been saved. Okay, let's have a look on the saved image. Pixel Lab. Look at this. This is really beautiful one. This is how you can make really good thumbnails using Pixel Lab on your Android phone. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thanks for watching.